I'm having two good reasons that why I chosen 10x Academy. One is that they are preparing you on a technology which is high in demand out there, and the second good reason is that pay after placement. My name is RamaKrishna. I am from Telangana. I recently completed my master's from NIT Kurukshetra with specialization in Instrumentation Engineering, and I completed my bachelor's in same specialization. And after my master's, I came to know the role of full stack developer in the IT industry, and to meet the industry standards, I just attend a full stack bootcamp program from 10x Academy. Basically, I came from a non-coding background, and I am not that good at coding before joining the 10x Academy. And when I taken a decision that I want to be a full stack developer role, so that we should good at coding. So after joining the 10x Academy, they have uh, given a rigorous coaching on a DSA button. They mainly focus on the DSA button web tech technologies, and that helped me in improving my coding skills. Yeah, I came to know about 10x Academy from one of my friends who got placed after joining his bootcamp program. After joining the bootcamp program, and what made me, I'm having two good reasons that why I chosen 10x Academy. One is that they are preparing you on a technology which is high in demand out there, and the second good reason is that pay after placement. Yeah, these two reasons made me to choose 10x Academy. And coming to the after joining into the 10x Academy, there are actually two teams you mainly interact with. One is the operations team, and after completing your course, there is a placements team. Yeah, in operations team was actually will make you keep you on track. They will follow you throughout the course time, and they will guide you if you are lagging, or they will give some good decisions. And one more thing is that the mentoring sections. These are the good part of 10x Academy. That they will mentor you on which you are lagging, and you can freely ask. And every mentor is like your own friend. You can feel like every mentor is like your own friend. And yes, that's it. Actually, when you face that interview, when on that one-on-one mock interview, actually you will face a scenario that you are in a real interview. That interviewer slowly progress the toughness of the questions, and they will prepare you for a real-time interview. Yes, the one-on-one mentor section is really great, and yeah, I personally got benefited from it. Actually, on one-on-one mentor sections, they will put you some DSA questions, and you come up with one logic, and the interviewer will ask us to improve like that. They always try to improve my logic. The one thing that is good about the 10x main bootcamp program is the pay after placement program, and I feel it is like it is completely risk free when you compare it to other types of programs outside there. Coming to my overall experience about 10x Academy, that it's a grateful journey, the 6 months period while I am taking the bootcamp program, and I learned many things apart from the tech stack. I learned many things like how to be in industry, how to behave like industry. Like each mentor will guide you on those things also. Actually, strictly saying.